Children, today we will learn about notes and coins. Golu and Appu are thinking of going to a feast. Appu told Golu that he should get some money while he too would bring his money. They will pool all their money and go to the feast and have fun. Next day, Golu reached Appu's house. When Appu asked for Golu's money, Golu gave Appu his piggy bank. Appu could not understand this. He asked Golu why he has given him his piggy bank. Golu replied that he was aware that his piggy bank has money, but he does not know anything about money. Appu laughed and he said that he would tell Golu all about money. He broke Golu's piggy bank. When he broke it, many notes and coins came out of it. Appu separated notes and coins. Then he put coins on the table like this. Children, have you seen these coins before? Appu said to Golu, "These are coins. This is a 1 rupee coin. This is a 2 rupee coin. This is a 5 and this is a 10 rupee coin. We recognize coins by the number mentioned on them." Right then, Golu picked up some coins like this and asked Appu, "You have not told me anything about these coins. Children, have you seen these coins?" Then Appu told Golu, "This is a 10 paisa coin. This is 25 paisa coin. And this one is a 50 paisa coin. These coins were in use in our grandfather's time, but they are out of use today." Now Appu spread the notes on the table like this. Children, have you seen notes like this? Have you ever used these to buy something somewhere? Come, let us see which are these notes. Appu told Golu, "This is a 5 rupee note. This is a 10 rupee note. This is 20. This is 50. This is 100. This is 200. This is 500. And this is 2000 rupee note." Golu got really excited after learning about notes and coins. He asked Appu, "When we have notes of such high value, why do we need coins?" Appu said to Golu, "What if you need to buy a toffee worth 1 rupee? What will you give to buy it?" Golu quickly picked up a 1 rupee coin and said, "I will give this 1 rupee coin. And if you need to buy a book which is for 100 rupees, will you be able to give so many coins?" Appu asked Golu. After thinking for a while, Golu said, "No. That is why we need notes to buy things that are costly." Appu laughed and explained to Golu. Golu was really happy to have learned about notes and coins. Appu put his money together with Golu's. They decided to go to the feast next day. In the next video, we will see what the two friends do at the feast. Children, in this lesson, we learned about notes and coins. We will learn more about these in the next video. with some interesting examples. In the previous video, we got to know about notes and coins. In this video, we will learn more about money through examples. In the last video, we saw that Appu and Golu had pooled their money. Now they have reached the feet. Let us see what the two friends are doing. First of all, they arrive at the balloon popping stall. To pop balloons, they need to give 65 rupees. Children, can you tell to give 65 rupees from these, which notes and coins will they need to give? Absolutely correct. By giving a 50 rupee note, a 10 rupee note and a 5 rupee coin, they can pop balloons for 65 rupees. They gave 65 rupees for popping balloons and both had a lot of fun doing it. Now they wish to take a ride. To get a turn on the giant wheel, they need to pay 77 rupees. Can you tell to pay 77 rupees? Which notes and coins from these will they need to give? If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer. Very good, children. You have found the correct answer. Golu and Appu gave a 50 rupee note, a 20 rupee note, one 5 rupee coin and a 2 rupee coin to take a ride for 77 rupees. Golu and Appu had a blast on the giant wheel. Now they want to buy a toy at Bunny's shop. They have to pay 389 rupees for the toy. Children, can you identify which notes and coins they will need? Your answer is absolutely correct. Golu and Appu can give these notes and coins to pay 389 rupees for the toy. They gave money for the toy and after buying it, happily started towards their home. In the next video, we will see all the naughty things they do on their way home. Children, in this lesson, we learned more about notes and coins through some interesting examples. In the next video, we will explore some misconceptions related to this. In the previous video, we saw some interesting examples related to notes and coins. In this video, we will learn about some misconceptions. Golu and Appu are returning home from the feet. On their way back, they begin to feel hungry. Then they spot Babban's ice cream stall. They have to give 20 rupees to Babban for ice cream. They have this coin and this note. Golu becomes sad. He says to Appu that they have only one 10 rupee note and one 10 rupee coin. Since a coin is less in value, how will they be able to give Babban 20 rupees? Children, what do you think? Is Golu right when he says that a coin is of less value than a note? You are right. Golu is wrong. They have a 10 rupee note and a 10 rupee coin. Their value is exactly the same. Appu laughed and explained this fact to Golu. They paid Babban 20 rupees for ice cream and once again happily began their homeward journey while eating ice cream. When they had gone some distance, they came across Chanda's fruit stall. They took fruits from Chanda, but now they need to pay 100 rupees. Both grew nervous. They thought they had paid the last 20 rupees to Babban. So how would they give money to Chanda? Then Appu rummaged through his bag and found this 100-rupee note. Golu grew even more tensed. He told Appu that it was a fake note. Children, do you think what Golu is saying is right? No, what Golu is saying is wrong. This note is a real note. From time to time, the government makes changes in the way notes and coins are printed. Thus, it is possible to have notes and coins to be of the same value but look different. For example, notice different notes of 10, 20, 50 and 100 rupee notes, while 1, 2 and 5 rupee coins have different versions. And all these are absolutely real. Appu explained this to Golu and gave that 100 rupee note to Chanda. While happily eating the fruit, they both reached their homes. Children, in this video, we saw some misconceptions related to notes and coins.